Greta's just sitting there. Be quiet, Louie butt. I think he just doesn't like it.
I think he just stopped playing.
Yeah. He's just looking at me. He doesn't. You got Greta hiding in the corner. Greta! 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 Now he was all excited. He's like, yeah, you stop playing. Ooh.
I'm not that bad, come on. Oh, he's really playing.
Yeah. Loki. Okay. Okay. Okay, come on. Yeah, make your way up. He's like, yeah, do I really want to?
Oh, I'm better.
Greta's,
Greta, come here.
Greta's freaking out.
Greta, come. No? Come on, Greta.
Good girl.
Yeah.
I think Luger's comfortable now.
I think so. She's still afraid of it.
Wow, something new. She's afraid of leaves. Come on.